Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Reolink indoor wireless camera, the 4-megapixels E1 Pro bundle. Whether you're looking to secure your home or keep an eye on your pets, this camera has you covered. Let's take a closer look at why this is one of the top-rated indoor security cameras available today. Inside the box, you get 3 cameras, 2 in white and 1 in black, giving you flexibility in terms of placement. The cameras have a sleek, modern design, making them easy to blend into any room of your home. But it's not just about looks. The E1 Pro packs serious functionality. The Reolink E1 Pro offers an impressive 355-degree horizontal rotation and 50 degrees of vertical tilt. This means you can cover nearly every corner of the room with ease. Whether you're monitoring your living room, bedroom, or office, this camera can give you full control of the space with just a few swipes on your phone. Speaking of controls, the camera connects to your Wi-Fi network using either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands, ensuring a strong, reliable connection for smooth live streaming. The free Reolink app is compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, allowing you to check in remotely from anywhere. One of the standout features of the E1 Pro is its motion tracking. Once it detects movement, the camera automatically follows the action. Whether it's your pet running around or an intruder, this camera ensures you won't miss a moment. Thanks to the built-in person and pet detection, you'll get instant notifications sent straight to your phone. No need to check in constantly, you'll be alerted only when something important happens. It's like having a personal security assistant right at your fingertips. Don't let the night stop you from staying protected. The E1 Pro's 8 infrared LED lights offer excellent night vision, allowing you to see clearly up to 40 feet, even in complete darkness. This makes it ideal for 24/7 monitoring, whether it's day or night. For storage, the E1 Pro supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB. This means you can store a massive amount of footage locally without needing a cloud subscription. Plus, if you're looking for even more storage options, the camera works seamlessly with Reolink's NVR for continuous 24/7 recording. The two-way talk feature is another great addition. Whether you want to communicate with your family, speak to your pet, or even deter an intruder, you can do so with clear audio thanks to the built-in mic and speaker. Whether you're using it as a baby monitor, a pet cam, or an added layer of security for your home, the Reolink E1 Pro indoor wireless camera offers peace of mind with its clear 4-megapixels HD resolution and versatile features. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and feature-packed indoor security camera, the Reolink E1 Pro bundle is a fantastic choice. It's affordable, functional, and flexible, making it one of the best wireless cameras on the market today. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next tech review. Stay secure and stay safe.